Hi guys, it is Hard Reset Info channel and today I will show you how to set mobile data limit on your VIVO Y36. In the first step to do that, we must open a setting and choose first option network and internet, where we have SIM card and mobile network. Now we choose our SIM card, in my case it's SIM card 1, and go to the data usage, where we have a setting on the right corner. There we have our data mobile limit, which we must turn on by switch on and confirm by OK. And now we can choose our data usage limit in gigabyte or megabyte, what you want. And now we can choose our data warming in gigabyte or megabyte too. And the last function is mobile data usage size, where we can choose data of each month. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.